What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for SoFi Technologies. Last time I looked at SoFi was this week Tuesday, and price closed right at the $8.37 level. And just this Friday, price opened at the looks like right around the low high sevens, 793. And we just rallied up higher because there was a gap, and then we just bounced off of support. So you see there was a test right over here of the $8 level. There was a second test. Now we're seeing the third test. So is this a triple bottom that will reverse prices, or are we going to still see more downside? Well, it is a possibility, that we could see a reversal out of here, but let's see how strong it is. So right now, since we bounced off of support, there's a good chance we see a move up higher, a pullback, because this is a very sharp move down. You can see that all these price bars are still practically within the channel. I mean, the channel probably fits better like that, but these bars are barely outside of it. So this is technically just one leg down on a higher time frame. So we have one large leg down. We just bounced off the $8 level. So this pullback will tell me what SoFi wants to do. If this pullback is weak, maybe something looking like this, just two small legs back, testing the $9 level, staying mostly below the EMA, then that's a good chance for another attempt down from the bears. Another attempt down could be small, or it could be large. But either way, the pullback will tell me if we're going to see another attempt down, harsh or not. However, let's just say, I don't know what's going to happen on the right side of the chart. What if we just see a massive rally higher? So that's all I see on the chart. I don't see what's going to happen on the right side. So based on the price action, if we see a big move up, maybe something like that, that might change things, and we might not see the leg down. We might just see another move up higher. So it just depends on what type of move up we get. What type of counter trend move we get to this bearish imbalance will tell me what the market wants to do. Does it want to come back inside of this yellow range, or does it want to continue trending up higher? So right now, I would be neutral. We just bounced off of support, so there's a good. This is probably the good opportunity for the market to pull back. This is definitely still bearish. I'm not saying this is looking good. We had a very sharp move down and no pullback yet. So this is just one leg down. So generally the market moves in twos. So you can see those one leg down right over here. So even if we do see a pullback, what do you think is going to happen? The market is going to try to make another large leg down. So even if we do see a pullback to the $9 level and we see harsh selling, it could come back all the way down to the 526 level. Not guaranteed though, because look what happened to the bulls. This was a large leg up right over here from May 15th all the way up to June 14th of this year. So this is one leg right over here. I'm going to go and put the arrow on it. When price pulled back, it was attempting to make the second leg up to the 1345, and you can see how they tried to do it. You can see that they tried one attempt right here, price pulled back, and they tried a couple more times, and then price failed. It just gave up. So obviously the measure move wasn't reached, but we did still see another large leg higher. So why would that not occur for the bears? It definitely does still occur for the bears. It doesn't matter which side you are on, it will most likely still play out the same way for the bulls and the bears. So we just saw one large leg down for the bears. What do you think is going to happen after a pullback? Because this was a pullback right here, but the bulls still made another attempt higher to reach the measuring target. So even if we do see a pullback, what do you think is going to happen? Another attempt down. So that another attempt down has a better chance of failing if we get back above the $9 level. So if we do something like this, and another attempt down starts, there's a good chance it will be stopped by that $9 level, something like that. However, if we just, slowly come back up to the $9 level, there's a good chance we see the drop down lower. We could still break above the $9 level and do that. There's a lot of scenarios that can play out. I'm just going over what's more likely to occur. What's more likely to occur is price pullback, because the market is overextended across all stocks and the indices. So we see a pullback in the market. The pullback will tell me if we're going to go higher or lower. There's a good chance, we're probably still going to go lower, and we probably still see another drop down lower. So I'll leave this drawing right now. We'll see how it plays out, but that's how I'm looking at SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly chart. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. You see that we have 3 consecutive red weeks in a row. We're finding a little bit of support from the EMA and the $8 level. So again, is this going to be a reversal opportunity, or are we going to just see a small pullback for another drop lower? Right now, there's a good chance we see another pullback, another drop lower after the pullback. But again, if the pullback is very strong, I will change my mind and maybe look for higher price targets. But right now, it's not looking good for SoFi Technologies. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly chart. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.